So wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video. And big up to all of my viewers and subscribers, large up on yourself. From when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you know what is on the menu today. And today we forward for talk about Squash Man, Big Voice and the whole altercation within the 6 camp, including what Squash Man mother did when she set up Big Voice life in the wickedest way and how he survived it. So people, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like and share up the video so that others can be in the know. But basically, you don't know how we do the thing already, viewers and subscribers. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So you don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, Squash Mother set up Big Voice life in the wickedest way. So basically, here we go on. The whole of the 6 camp are pre-Big Voice, including Squash Mother, because basically them a say Big Voice switch up on them and a par with Shabdan. And we all know the history between the 6 camp and Shabdan. And basically them is like arch enemies right now. So because of all of that, the whole 6 camp has a Big Voice for dead. So this thing we now see right now in the media, it's a long time feud where just a come out in the light. Because it come like this thing just basically reach a breaking point, hence why everything is revealing to the public right now. So as I said before, this is a long time feud. Because if you listen to the video good, when I have to show you can hear many times when Big Voice say a long time him a pre them because him know say them a friend killer and them a try set up him life long time. You see me I say, so Squash Mother go plant gun under Big Voice bed for police kill him, and that is a shake up thing for the people, because basically people like that you cannot trust viewers and subscribers. So in this video, Big Voice I reveal all of that, and I make the people them know say Squash and his mother and the whole 6 camp are wicked them and a backbiter them. Them will laugh with you and try set up your life at the same time, because basically that is exactly what Squash Mother did the night when she planted the gun under in bed. Big Voice say at the first him see she laugh with him, so yeah people, him also say she did the same thing already with his brother and make him brother spend 5 years in prison for the gun that she planted. So basically when I analyze all of these people, if everything where Big Voice I say are really true, then Squash Mother is a little wicked. You see me I say, that is just my opinion, do people. You see me? So tell me what you think down into the comment section about all of this. Yeah man, make we discuss it. Tell me if you don't believe what Big Voice I say, and also tell me what you think about Squash Mother involvement in all of this. Just basically tell me everything. So here one now people, just check out the video.
If you tell your son them say you're artist, do music Squash. You don't want to teach the youth them the right thing and your mother. And your mother, you're not no mother figure. You're not no mother figure. You're still upon messenger, a message me be a bad word and be a thing and how me happy dead and this and that. You as a mother figure, me know how she wicked. People, let me tell you something people. I say me just come from Costa Rica, Mommy Sean put gun on my bed. People, let me tell you something people, I don't know mommy people. Mommy Sean put gun on my brother bed, never bed, and send never go to jail. You say me just come from Costa Rica people. The woman put gun on my bed, you know, after me live up at Oakland with Squash. I rent house. The woman put gun on my bed, but because God in me, God tell me say Big Voice. The woman a go up at your house, go put gun on your bed. A father God tell me that, you know, people. People now listen to me people. Squash is nobody right now. People, me never talk them thing I hate people. People, Father God tell me say Big Voice. Mommy Sean I go put gun on your bed. I said me go up at the room people, and look under the bed. I want gun on my bed. Go suck your Mommy Sean. But me chat too much. Me not stop chat. Go suck your Mommy Sean. People, said me go up on my bed. And Father God tell me say Big Voice. People, Father God say Big Voice. Mommy Sean just a looking at your face and a smile. Oh, she a smile with just a Big Voice. I mean, I Squash there at the same place, no people. Me I Squash there at the same place. And the man mother, I put gun on my bed. The man mother put gun on my bed after my little brother just go to 5 years for gun when she put on her bed. The same wicked woman, I put gun on my bed. And people, me still love them and still I sing about them. And then still not like me people. And me never do them nothing, and me never come chat about them yet. Me just continue to do what me I do with love. Oh, no, tell Mommy Sean say for hold it down. Oh, Mommy Sean a join me live. Him and Fred man them, I say DJ, you feed them. Or them I say DJ if he dead, and them I say me for hold it down. Then if they never want me talk them thing, If they never want me talk them thing, then them shall just love me. Because me never talk them thing yet, people. People, me never talk them thing yet. So if they want me, if you not say nothing, people, why they not just leave me alone, people? Oh, you mean say me chat too much, youth? Youth, who wouldn't talk them thing, the youth? Youth, I wanna join my life, you know, youth. I say me chat too much and me not talk them things there. But why you do them things there? How the fuck me feel afraid? People, me born and grow with them people. The people them I say me afraid. Me can't afraid of God alone, me afraid of. Enough man dead because them afraid of God. Them afraid of man. People, me and Squash born and grow, you know. Remember, you know, you see them power them have, I see them power me have. Me just not use power upon them. You see them power them have, I see them power me have. From I only start giant my life and I say me fi dead. So me start talk now. So now me start talk. Oh, me fi afraid people when them a check me long time. Uno just a hear what I go on now. But a long time them a check me people and me never afraid. If me did afraid, probably me would have talk long time. But when them join me live people and talk it different. You see them when check me half a ear like them normally check me half a ear. Whether Squash go suck him mother or Squash kill me. And me and Squash born and grow. If Squash can kill me gunman, me not can kill Squash to gunman, go suck your mother youth. What you mean about Squash kill? What kind of power Squash have? Eh? What kind of power Squash have for me for mind Squash kill me? Eh? Squash go kill him mother pussy man. Bad man, me never scared yet youth. Me never scared yet. If me could have taught them, if me did afraid, I would have taught them thing a long time. I would have taught them thing a long time, but me never afraid. So me just loud them, make them thank. Look how long them a text me and a message me say me for dead. Look how long them a message me say me for dead and me never talk yet. I know me a talk me for afraid. Me can't talk now, I'm afraid dog. Brother, I'm afraid of boy my born and growing. Eh? Me only aware of them. Me only aware of them people. Them attack and a threaten me and me never come on the internet with it yet people. So now that me come on the internet with it people, you just know what I go on. Me just tell you what I go on now people. Because them join me live with it. You see if them never join me live with it people, it would have been different people. But people, me I only one. We can't get out, you know why? Because Father God lead me people. You see, because I pray enough people, and my mother is a Christian people, and that's why Father God show me every sign. That's why when Mommy Sean put the gun on my bed, me could have know. Because Father God show me every sign. Remember, you know, me never see when she do it, you know. She only looking at my face and bring the gun up on me in my room, go put it in my room. You said, I go up on my room, I see Bobby 6 girlfriend in my room. So I say, Bobby 6 girlfriend, I say, carry on. Remember, I lie me, I telling the people, I'm not sure if this really, you know. So I say, carry on. Where the gun Mommy Sean put on my bed there? She said, it on your bed. Remember, so I'm not sure, you know, people, but a father got to tell me, say, just say this in a big voice. And when I go on my bed and lift up my bed, people, big fat matic on my bed. I never see gun yet pan the block and the whole way I do music. And carry on like she has the police soon come. So hold on, I mean if you go prison, and carry on, she say, oh, like police soon come, I have to come out. Me I say, you carry this back or give them. So people, know that I want to talk, me no business. Me afraid of them people, me not afraid of them people. Me aware of them from a long time. Why Mommy Sean have to be a mix up as a mother? Why Mommy Sean as a mother can't say big voice? You know a friend, you know, you ask question if you have nothing. Why Mommy Sean a join me live? You feel dead. Why Mommy Sean as squash mother can't join me live? And I say, big voice if you dead. Mommy Sean go suck your mama, Mommy Sean. You know top fuck off squash friend them. True, me never want to fuck your Mommy Sean. As I look at you to grow, me never want to fuck you in your thing pussy Mommy Sean. And that's why you hate me Mommy Sean. You fuck off all of my friend them. And me never want to fuck you. And that's why you don't like me woman. Every day you want to fuck off your man, and me don't want to fuck your woman. And that's why you hate me woman. You say you're crosses. You have the devil pussy, that's why me don't want to fuck your woman. Love me alone, woman. You say you're crosses, woman. Woman, you're crosses, woman. You woman want to fuck off your whole of my friend them. With our devil pussy. And true, me don't want to fuck your woman. You woman want to see man good on. You see him, you wish bad for people, picnic. I see him, so you have to wish for your own blood clot self. Stop wish bad for people, picnic. That me I tell you. Most of my man them fuck you, them dead, or them go jail. Most of my friend them fuck Mommy Sean. All of my friend them, most of them fuck Mommy Sean, them dead. Your pussy kill Fry Eye. Me carry Fry Eye come a South Spring and Fry fuck Fry Eye, man turn crosses. Go ahead.
So basically now viewers and subscribers, you know what I want to know though? After hearing all of these people, tell me what you think about it down into the comment section. Drop your thoughts and make we know what you really feel. Say if you feel like say basically big voice bias or you feel like the man them in the 6 scam is a big shag viewers and subscribers. Make me know down into the comment section. Also remember to give this video a like. Yes, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share up the video so that others can be in the know. So you don't know how we do the thing. Peace, I'm out.